Good morning students, welcome to class B part 3rd. As you know that in BA part 3rd we are reading poetry section, and in poetry section we have completed various points. After the analysis of our syllabus till now, we can say that it is accordingly as system. Means the speed of our syllabus is average. The first aim, the first objective of any syllabus must be clear understanding. We also follow the same path. Whatever we have completed must be clear with every type of aspects and conception related to concerned chapter. The points in BA part 3rd are very easy if you compare it with last 2 years, because there is a combination of various types of poets dealing with different type of the countries. As the first, second, third, starting 3 points of your syllabus are Indian, and rest of all others are belong to abroad. Someone are belonging to Nigeria, someone is from Canada, someone is from Australia, one poet is from America, one is from Australia, and one is from Singapore. The point on which we are going to discuss today in our this video, or the poem which we are going to discuss in this video, that title is Words. A very short title. I think that shortest title of your poems book, that is Words. A very small title, very short title, but as the word is short, its expression, its ideas, its thought and sentiments are very broad. In a small word, various types of broad things are hidden, and in this point, we must try to search out the aspects related to words. That's all. The point on which we are going to discuss today, that is Edwin Thumboo. Edwin Thumboo, a poet from Singapore, as we discussed before some minutes, that in this class, BA part 3rd, poetry section, we have various types of varieties of poets. Or what is the objective to use all these varieties? There is a fixed objective, a particular aim of university, that why it prepared like it, that a student of BA part 3rd, a student of English literature must be well known, must be very acquainted and familiar with the poets of abroad also. So we have Judith Wright from Australia. So we have Aga Shahid Ali from America. So we have Edwin Thumboo from Singapore. I mean that different type of countries, different type of poets are a matter of curiosity. And also we can get an analysis of comparative study, that what is difference between Indian culture and American culture, what is difference between American and Singaporean culture, what there are special in Australia, what there are special in the culture of Canada, what there is a special civilization, system, tradition, customs and usages in Nigeria. So why it is we acquire, why, how we can get all this type of information? Being a student of literature, your first priority is to read is to explain the ideas of poet. As we know that why we read poems, why we read essays, stories, novels, dramas, why? Is it a path of entertainment? Is it a path of morality? Is it a path of humanity? Or it is a religion? It is a culture? It is a system? Try to think. Why we read poems? As a definition of literature, we will describe what the literature is. We just speak that literature is the mirror of society. As the first definition of literature, a common definition, an average definition. Everyone maximum knows that what the literature is. Literature is the mirror of society. You prove it, how it is mirror of society. So we read poems. So we read essays, stories, novels, dramas, because we want to prove it. We must prove it why literature is the mirror of society. Because the literature of any time where it is written must be highlights its culture, its civilization and its history. Picture of society. How we know which type of America was at the time of 20th century? How we know it? We can get its information through literature. How we know the people of Nigeria are black and they bad behaved in London, in Britain? How we know it? We know it through the poem of telephone conversation that is in your syllabus. A Nigerian people, a Nigerian person faced a problem being black in Britain. How we know it? We know it. We search out all these proofs in literature. What poet feels, he presents in literature. What a writer observes in society and sociological system, he just printed it on the literature. And so literature is not only the mirror of society, it is also a suggestive point, a suggestion for society. A very great type of the dealing there is in this literature. They not only raises the issues of society, but also gives its remedy and solution. Try to understand. Edwin Thumboo belongs to Singapore. The poem Words, a very important poem, and the main ideas related to words is that it is now being using with our speech. Speech is using with our communication. It is using with talking to each other. और कुल मिलाकर के जो बेसिक कीनोट है वर्ड्स पोइम का, बेसिक कीनोट है दैट इज स्पीच. दैट इज speech. How to speak, that is whatever you are going to speak, that is what are your keynotes of speech, that is means one important aspect and objective of the words is always thinking soft and sweet after thinking and consideration. Always speak soft and sweet because we know that sometimes our feelings and emotions, our feelings of heart, our emotions, our thinking, all these totally injured, all these totally disturbed and feel bad with your speech. So speech is the right or a true or the real decoration of our personality. Who decorates us? We are not decorated by the dresses, by the hairstyles, by the structure of body, by an attractive outlook, by a supreme personality. Who makes our personality splendid? How we can improve our personality? If a person that is poor, can he not create a good personality? If a person that is rich, are you sure that his personality must be right every time? No. Personality never deals with the economic differences. Personality never deals that he is poor, so he should not be a good in personality. He is a very rich person, he must be a very good in personality. It is not the rule of personality. Personality's first decoration is your speech. The first condition to make your personality supreme and attractive, that is use soft and sweet language. This is importance of your language. Language decorates the personality. So what are the prime elements of your personality? That is language. So keep one thing always in mind. You always be appreciated. You must be admired when there is something soft and sweet, simplicity of thought, impressive expression, sober conduct, soft and sweet language, simplicity of thoughts, impressive expression, sober conduct, or last, simple living and high thought. Why I am narrating all these five? Because we are dealing with very important point. Not only the point of view of your syllabus, but also the point of view of your life. Very useful for your educational career. Very useful to be a good or a real, appropriate, justified human being. Very important to be a person, to be a human. You are a person. Person means either male or female, no matter. Person is a consolidated word used for both male and female. So why I am repeating these five here? As the time when we are going to discuss words, the importance are given upon these. Means whatever you are speaking must affect your personality. Whatever you are speaking must affect to your personality. The personality means not good dress, not attractive face, not handsome and beautiful body structure, means they are not the essential and conditional part of personality. So what is personality? Soft and sweet language. If you are poor, no matter. Use soft and sweet language, that is related to words. Simplicity of thought, विचारों की सादगी. Impressive expression, प्रभावी व्याख्यान. एक्सप्रेशन का मतलब होता है हिंदी में एग्जैक्ट अभिव्यक्ति. यू कैन स्पीक इट अबाउट इम्प्रेसिव एक्सप्रेशन. आपकी बोलचाल का जो फ्लो ऑफ स्पीच है, जो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स है और जो फ्लो ऑफ डायलॉग्स है, दैट मस्ट बी इम्प्रेसिव, ए पार्ट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी. try to speak everything that is impressive, and impressive expression is a part of personality. It is a part of, ये सब अपन इसमें लिखे, these are the basic parts of personality. These are the basic parts of personality. Your communication skill also decides your personality. Your communication skill also decides your personality. For example, if we are going to a doctor for medical treatment, if the behavior or communication style of doctor is very hard, the patient mind become negative, and in his mind, what he thinks, he will think that the doctor is not good. Whatever knowledge there is in the doctor, that is good. Your knowledge is later thing. Your first impression is your first skill of language, your style of language, and your simplicity of thought. Or another type of the doctor, if he treats the patient very softly, with a soft speech, whatever this doctor knows, no matter, but according to the decision of patient, the doctor is superior than that, because half disease automatically removed with the positive thought of doctor. This is the use of language. This is the use of word. How word affects everyone. Either in the classroom, the speech of a teacher for the students, part of personality. Student must attract with the speech and expression, the dialogues and the communication skills of a teacher. Anywhere, if you are an advocate, your skill, your words, soft language, clear expression and impressive expression. It is surely it's a benefit. Everywhere, this is the importance of word, and I am explaining the role of word in life. Everywhere there is the role. Everywhere there is the role of soft and sweet language. You can make any structureless atmosphere very cool and calm with your language. A very critical atmosphere can be solved out, can be made peaceful with your style of language. तो these are the basic parts. सोबर कंटेक्ट, व्यवहार बड़ा एकदम विनम्र व्यवहार, सोबर कंटेक्ट, आचरण जो है मीन्स हाउ यू ट्रीट अदर्स, दैट इज कंटेक्ट. हाउ यू ट्रीट द पुअर, हाउ यू ट्रीट द रिच, always the same. Conduct never be changing at the time of when your company is different. No matter. Keep the same conduct with the poor or keep the same behavior with the rich. This is part of it. If with the conduct facing a poor, you become hard, and when there is the rich, you become very soft. Why it is? No. It is not a part of personality. Always the same. And simple living, high thought. A common proverb. एक सामान्य मुहावरा. सादा जीवन, उच्च विचार. The key of success. These are the part of personality as well as key of success. How to get success? Success deals with various topics, with various points. Success is not superficial, only to gain with the covering of syllabus. After covering a syllabus, you can get a success in particular era or a particular topic or a particular year. But this is, I am speaking about success. This is the success of life. I am not dealing with the success of particular course or particular classes. No. This is universal success of life. Try to be a valuable person. Not try to get a valuable thing, but try to be a valuable person. There must be a value of individual in society. If this is means you are on the right path. What you can give your society? What is your contribution for your society? What is your role every time whenever you are living in society? If you are a child, what is your role? If you are a student in school, what is your role for contribution there? You must contribute there everywhere in your all part of life. If you are a student of college, everything you have received in college, what you give, this is personality. As a teacher, every time he earns and then he teach a common formula of education. What the teacher provides to an institution. What a teacher provides to institution. What is the contribution of a student? What is the contribution of a teacher? Everything must be deals with the personality. So these five are commonly dealing with the point words. And although we have spent more time to discussing about the key of success in life as well as the part of personality, the main focus of our today's video is to show the value of words, because we are reading our point, that is words. The poem divided into two parts. The poem words divided into two parts. Basically, the first part deals with words have no personality. Words have no The first important thing, there are two basic ideas that was presented. That is, words have no personality, or second, words are the medium of expression. Words are the medium of expression. Keep mind that in this point, what poet speaks basically? Basically, the complete poem deals with the words. और ये जो point है, words have no personality is very important. Neither a word that is bad or good. Words are meaningless in itself. So its meaning, what a word speaks or what a word means are different. What a word speaks or what a word means are different. This is the motto of this poem. You must understand between the difference of these two. You must understand between the difference of these two. What word means और what word speaks. शब्द का अर्थ क्या है और शब्द बोला क्या जाता है. Try to understand. The thing that is important proved by poet is speed, not the meaning. शब्द का मतलब क्या है इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, आपने उसको बोला किस वे में है दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. व्हाट द वर्ड मीन that is not important, because the meaning of word not decided by the personality, because the meaning of word is not the personality of that word is not any type of personality. So how you can speak, that is its personality. Means a good word can be speak with a bad way. शब्द का अर्थ क्या है महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है, तो महत्वपूर्ण है कि शब्द को बोला कैसे, समझने की कोशिश करें. एडविन थुम्बो वर्ड्स में कहता है कि एक पर्टिकुलर शब्द की हिंदी में ट्रांसलेशन या अर्थ क्या होता है, बजाय इसके ये महत्वपूर्ण है कि आपने उस पर्टिकुलर शब्द को किस फ्लो में किस वे में यूज किया. मतलब एक अच्छे शब्द को पूरे तरीके से प्रस्तुत किया जा सकता है. जैसे शब्द ऑनेस्ट, ईमानदार, पॉजिटिव वर्ड है, अच्छा शब्द है, मीनिंग भी दे रहा है ईमानदार. इसको वो बोला जाए, बहुत देखे तेरे जैसे ईमानदार, आया है बड़ा ईमानदार बनने वाला. मीन्स अटैक अपॉन ऑनेस्ट. तो योर कम्युनिकेशन स्टाइल इन दैट लैंग्वेज इज नॉट ए गुड वे ऑफ ऑनेस्ट और ईमानदार. Yes, this is the important. What the meaning, that is not important. What are you speaking or which type of the design are you using to speak, that is important. I mean that you understand about the complete conception related to words and the basic ideas that was given by poet is here is the importance of word. First important important conception is every time try to think, consider and then speak. Every time try to think, consider and then speak. So this is an important aspect. Second important, every time whenever you are speaking, speak clear and face. Face means that means every time never to speak anything behind of someone. Whatever you want to speak, speak on front. Whatever you want to speak, speak on front. Never speak behind of anyone. This is also the feature that was given by poetry. In our next class, in next video, the poem is very short and line by line we just describe it in our next video, because this is the time to complete the video, and in this video we have completed the basic introduction of our poem words. So let's come with the next video to complete this poem. Thank you.